Just been to the post to apply for our passports, Australian passports. How much did it cost us each? 375. And under 10 years, I think, under 16. Surely you should have applied earlier. Under 16, 175. So quite a lot of money. And then it's 10 years. 10 years for under 16. Less than 16, it's 5 years. And then we took photos at the post as well. That costed us $27 each. And the process was very quick. In less than 10 minutes, I think 10 to 15 minutes, our whole application process was done and dusted. The only thing that I think getting the guarantor, we had to go get someone to guarantee us, somebody that has been in the Australian citizen, someone that's known us for more than 12 months, and someone that could sign our pictures and put a signature on the guarantor. So the process of Australian passport application is very quick, it's very efficient. As soon as you have your citizenship certificate, and then you need some identification. In my case, all that I needed was my Medicare card and my driver's license, plus what else did I need? Plus the Australian citizenship certificate. That's all I needed. I did not need a birth certificate myself. The kids needed a birth certificate and the Australian citizenship certificate. So that's all you need, guys, plus your pictures done at the post, and everything is quickly done for you and you are on your way. No long queues, no waiting. Like, I'm not gonna compare, but yeah, that's the beauty of living in a first world. All done and dusted. Cheers. And now, as a celebratory thing, we're gonna buy some ice cream too.
Chocolate and
Strawberry chocolate sundae and some soft serves
vanilla.
to celebrate. Vanilla?
Celebrate.